Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get this app from Play Store error on Android. If you're seeing the get this app error on your Android device, don't worry. It's usually caused by caching issues, an outdated Play Store, disabled system apps, or incorrect settings. First, check if the app is already installed and try opening it from your app list. Next, if it's not installed, download it directly from the Play Store and try again. Make sure your app and Play Store are updated, or try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to refresh its files. Another effective fix is clearing the Play Store and Play Services cache. Go to your device's settings, open apps, search for Google Play Store, then select Clear Cache or Clear Data. Don't worry, clearing data will just require you to log back in, but it removes unnecessary files that might block downloads. Finally, after clearing cache and data, try downloading the app again, and this should resolve the issue efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.